and welcome to this GDS Lab tutorial 7.2, how to set up an Adwin based system. In this video we will outline the process of upgrading your geotechnical testing system by integrating a digital control system box and configuring it within GDSLABv2024. We will download and install drivers, transfer relevant files and ensure that the system is correctly set up to communicate with the DCS device. To start by downloading the latest version of the Adwin drivers from the official website, which is Adwin.de. And then you need to select English at the top left corner of the page unless you speak German, and then you navigate down to the download section and choose Windows and download the latest version of the Adwin drivers. So fast forward, once the download is complete, then you can extract the files from the downloaded zip and run the setup.exe file to install the drivers. And once that is installed, you need to check that it's working correctly, so you need to open the start menu, then you need to search for AD-config. Then open the AD-config application and verify that the Adwin device is listed with a USB serial number. So to confirm the device is correctly connected, double click on the listed device to make sure that it shows a valid connection. Then once confirmed, you can close the AD-config window. Then you need to copy and transfer the plugin files. So the next step is to transfer specific files required for your system to run the DCS box in GDS Lab. You need to open Windows Explorer and navigate to the GDS Lab plugins directory. Then you need to look for files starting with GDS-DCS. These files are essential for communicating with the DCS device. If you're working with older systems, for example an EMD-CSS or older, you might find these files either in C:/Windows/syswow64 or the same again but system32 instead of syswow64. So this will depend on the system's architecture. Once you've located all of these, you can copy all the relevant GDS-DCS files. Then, you can paste the files into the GDSLABv2024 plugins directory. So once you've copied it, navigate to the installation folder of GDSLABv2024. Go to c/programfiles/GDS-instruments/GDSLab plugins. Then you paste the copied GDS-DCS files into this directory to ensure they are available for the new software. Then you can start GDSLABv2024 and load station configuration. With the Adwin drivers installed and the plugin files transferred, you are now ready to start GDSLABv2024. So once you've loaded in a new station, for example, you could select Triaxle Systems and choose a 2 Hz mini-DIN configuration. Then you go to the device, ensure that the connection to the DCS device by clicking on the DCS device picture within the software. This could be orange if you're setting it up for the first time. Then go to the device status tab and confirm that the system is ready. And it will say system is ready in the system messages box in red. So then you need to verify the connection. So to verify communication with the DCS device, you need to click the read icon parameter. For example, you go down to your axle load part and you click read. And if this is reading, then you know that it is working. You also have an optional step to import configuration from previous versions. You can also use the ini file converter to import configurations from an older GDSLABv2 system. While this functionality may not be fully supported in the current version, there is an existing guide on how to use this feature. Refer to the video titled How to Create a Station from an Existing GDSRV file or the corresponding handbook section for more details. Okay, that is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. This has been how to set up an Adwin based system. Thank you.